Hey guys, Queen Esther here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful fresh fish soup with my secret ingredient. It's going to leave your mouth watery. If you want to learn how to make this, whether you've ate it before or not, stay tuned. If you're a return subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. And if you are new here, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and welcome to the family. So let's get started. Here's what I have here. I have here some carrot, some cabbage, some green and red bell pepper, some carrot. I have salt here. I have one onion. I have here ginger, some garlic. I have some garlic here. Some garlic. I have about 6 of them. And for my seasoning, I have here coriander, white pepper, fennel, and anise seeds in there. I have some 2 Maggi cubes. Alright, I have some chicken bouillon, and I'm going to use these 2 tilapia fish. Let's get started. In the pot, I'm going to go ahead and add I want to go ahead and add some baking soda. So what this is going to do is going to remove that taste that usually tomato paste has. I'm going to go ahead and add the salt. That cook a little bit, and I'll add my tomato sauce. So it's going to be very, very thick. I'm going to go ahead and add my Maggi cubes as well, and my chicken bouillon. So I'm going to go ahead and add some chicken bouillon. And then some 2 Maggi cubes. What is this? Alright. So let's see how it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and put my tomato sauce in there. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add some water in the soup, and turn it. This is how it looks like. Super thick, so I'll put more water. You want to make sure you taste it, add all the extra taste and crave that you need. If you need salt before you add the fish, that way when you add the fish you don't have to stir it too much so you don't break the fish up, because tilapia is very, very soft and can easily break. So they stay very thick, and I like it just the way it is. So I need to leave me, so I'm going to add some chicken bouillon in there. Chicken bouillon to it. Now it's time to this time I'm going to add some salt because it requires a little bit of salt. And I'll let it cook for a bit more until I see the oil come rise up over it, and then I'll put my fish, because what we don't want, the fish doesn't take too long to cook, so I'll let this cook a little more before I add my fish to it. This time I'm going to go ahead and put the fish inside. Optional. And this is how it looks like. Our food is ready. The soup, so the fish is all intact. It doesn't take too long to cook because it's fish. Alright, it's time to serve. And voila, the fish soup is ready. The fish didn't get messed up. It is all and tastes so delicious. Make sure you guys try some, okay? Until next time, bye y'all.